Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to turn your text to human speech within seconds in 11 labs. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the website, which is 11labs.io, and the next step is to go to the text to speech option, and then you will be brought to something similar to this, and then you input your text here. Now this is where you have to select the voice of your choice. For you to have a realistic sounding one, you must have sampled the voices in the library section, and if you've not sampled it, you can just go to this section here that talks about these voices, and then select a voice of your choice. But here you can go, you can select a voice here, and you can click on this voice option, yes, and then choose a voice that resonates with you. So let's say I want a human voice. I think I can do search for the human voice here, or just search for human and see what it pops up. Good. So this, okay, so once we search for it, it will give us a list of voices to work with. We can sample some of them and select the best voice suitable for our project. So I've clicked on the first one to just hear how it sounds.
Always a good time for a conversation. What would you like?
Okay.
On peut dire que le mystère éternel du...
This is a different language. I can choose the third one down.
You could listen to this rare blend of...
So this is just how to choose a human voice for your text to speech project on 11 labs. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a comment below. I will see you in the next one. Do have a blessed day.